Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by updating the game and your drivers. This resolves many crashes instantly. Once done, check available disk space and ensure RAM and GPU meet requirements so the system won't page out. Make sure overlays and background recording are disabled because they often inject instability. Close them now. You'll also want to reboot to clear lingering processes. These preparatory steps remove common root causes and set a clean baseline for the deeper troubleshooting that follows. Now run the game in compatibility or safe mode to isolate graphics or API problems. Lowering render scale or resolution reduces stress on hardware. Next, inspect Event Viewer and the game's logs to catch specific error codes, and verify game files through the launcher to repair corrupted assets. Adjust power profiles, enable VSync, or set a frame rate cap to prevent frame spikes. If you use mods, disable them temporarily. Once stable, re-enable one at a time to find the offender. Finish by performing a clean reinstall of the game or drivers if crashes persist. Use the for a thorough GPU driver removal to avoid leftover conflicts. You should also try switching graphics APIs or reset the game's config folder to default. This removes corrupted settings. If problems continue, reproduce the crash and collect logs, minidumps, and steps so you can provide clear data to support or forums. One key tip: test with integrated graphics or another system to confirm whether hardware is the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.